So we were talking about tactics now. As of now, Koeman wanted to play with a 4-2-3-1 double pivot, if I'm not wrong. So in that way, left is Jordi Alba, Longley, PK, right is Roberto or Dest now. If Dest proves that he's fighting for the team or he gets into the team. The double pivot is De Jong and Busquets / Pjanic. Then in the midfield we go to left is Ansu Fati, middle is Coutinho, right is Messi, and striker is supposed to be Griezmann. Any corrections?
Yeah, that I would go with the same team. And in right back, I would say Sergio Dest has competition from Conrad de la Fuente. And in midfield, instead of Messi, I mean, I really feel that I really feel that the difference in these few games under Koeman is that the team is not overly relying on Messi. That is what I feel. They are giving the ball to other players than Messi, and Messi is free to do what he wants and score goals when he feels like.
The pass that day, Coutinho gave it to Fati. Did he not see Messi, or is there something else on his mind? And he passed it to Fati, and Fati scored. Like he went through between the legs under the goalkeeper, which is brilliant. So that showed that okay, now because when Coutinho came, anybody who came into Barcelona was always going to live under the shadow of Messi, obviously. But when Coutinho used to play before he left for Bayern, he always looked like he had that inferiority complex that he couldn't, like, what should I say? He was scared to express himself on the field. It doesn't look like that now. Coutinho still is a little bit reserved, but he looks more confident now. And I think we have to thank Bayern for that. And we also have to thank Koeman because he said, I'm going to trust him, and he's a brilliant player. And he is proving his brilliance. The other thing I wanted to say was, Griezmann is supposed to be the striker. He's supposed to be the forward-most player from our side. But how we are seeing the game is Messi is supposed to be in the right, so Messi drops in between. Ansu Fati goes in front. Coutinho goes slightly left, so both Messi and Coutinho play kind of in the middle, attacking midfielders. Messi is not playing mostly like a forward. He does go front, but then Griezmann comes off to the right. I don't understand I understand like your team is trying to be fluid and you're shifting shapes, etc., etc. But if Griezmann is supposed to be the second striker, he has no business being on the right side at all. Like, if any of you have an explanation for that,
what I think is happening is while going forward, Coutinho takes up the playmaking position. Messi drops in front of him. So basically, Messi is taking Griezmann's position, and Griezmann goes to the right, but not Messi's position exactly. The same line as Messi as a forward, but he goes to the right. So that's what we've been so used to in the past years, because usually Messi goes center and Suarez also is there, but Messi used to play in Coutinho's position and Suarez would be in front of him. Now Messi is playing center and Griezmann is playing right. So what I think is, personally, Griezmann should be playing center and Messi should be playing on the right. But I don't know, like Messi can finish as good as Griezmann. So, but I really hope that Griezmann gets accustomed to that position, or they have to change tactics, as I said.
So maybe instead of it being like a 4-2-3-1, it now looks like a 4-2-1-3. Ansu Fati goes up in front, left.
Yeah.
Messi is in the middle. Griezmann is slightly towards the right.
That's while attacking. Yeah, while attacking, it becomes a 4-2-1-3.
And I'm not saying it's weird, but the thing about Griezmann is also not an out and out. He's like a second striker, just behind the striker. So maybe if Ansu Fati takes up the role of a striker, or Messi takes up the role of a striker, he can be just behind him, either feeding him or feeding off the striker himself. Either way.
Yeah. So last year, Griezmann was playing on the left. Now we have Ansu Fati on the left and Griezmann is playing on the right. So I think he's better on the right because he's left-footed, basically. So he can cut in and score, especially to that far post shot. So which he's quite good at. And he can also play with Messi. I mean, like, give quick 1-2s at the edge of the box and score. So hopefully Koeman just continues giving him chances. I'm pretty sure he'll take one of those and he will show what he's meant to be. Hopefully. Otherwise, we have to play Trincao in that position. Yeah, he's good. but he still needs little ironing out some things, and he should pass more, I think. But yeah, he's really good.